Hello everyone. Today I realized one thing is that I made a lot of video, but I think I never introduced myself properly. So in this video I am going to introduce myself. First, my name is Vaishnavi Singh and I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. And in a last year I just completed class 12th in a science stream, and currently I am doing graduation. This is the first year. After school, I joined an employability skill coaching where I learned lot of skill like how to communicate with people and some classes of entrepreneurship and some classes changing my mindset. That coaching was totally practical and develop our social skills. So I have suggestion to you all. If you have a time, so you have to find out this type of coaching. This is a really amazing, and it's also get your confidence high. And literally that was amazing. And that coaching was totally changed my mindset, like really. So let's talk about little bit in my school life. So I was a student of CBSE board English medium. It's only up to class 8. During class 8, COVID-19 happened. In that time, all school was closed. When comes to admission of class 9, in my area that was not a good school from English medium. So I had a switch my board Hindi, sorry, English to Hindi. That sudden change totally disaster for me because I didn't understand my syllabus because it's starting to class 8 I had a student of English medium, and now and that time I in all subject in a Hindi. और मुझे तो हिंदी नहीं समझ में आती थी। मतलब ये है कि जब सीबीएसई बोर्ड में था तो हिंदी ऐसी थी, मतलब बुक जो एक सिलेबस सॉरी एक जो लेसन होता है हिंदी का, उसमें स्टोरीज होती थी, उसमें फाइंड आउट करने होते थे क्वेश्चन आंसर। बट हिंदी मीडियम में क्या था, उसमें से मतलब श्लोक रहते थे और क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कबीर दास के दोहे, उसको मतलब पूरा पूरा डिफाइन करके वगैरह वगैरह करके निकालना होता। तो मुझे हिंदी नहीं समझ में आती, आई कांट अंडरस्टैंड इवन हिंदी। So it, but that was totally disaster for me. Like how I manage all over things. Somehow I managed nine in first 2 year, 9 and 10. That was totally stressful for me. I barely understand one and two topic at all, but somehow I managed. I did work hard to catch up my studies. Just catch all over thing, but in this time I am totally obsessed English language. Like I really want to improve my fluency, and I really want to fluent in this language in 2026, last of 2026. But the problem is, but what's my weakness? My weakness is consistency. I am totally suffering from consistency because when I start something, one thing, I can't consistent. This is my totally weakness. Like how I manage this, I am just planning to read one book like Atomic Habit. My teacher suggests me to, you must read this book. So I say yes, okay, I will read this. So I am planning to buy this book, Atomic Habit. I heard this book is really fantastic, but it's a it's a depend on me. Suppose I will not consistently read that book, so how can I consistent in my in this in my life? So I must have to read that book. I heard that was amazing. I just want to improve my English, so that's why I just opened this channel, because in my area that was no way to just practice with. So I thought I speak in a front of camera, it's really improve my English, and it's also give me a confident, so I just think about this and start this channel. start to कर दिया है, but कंसिस्टेंसी कहाँ है ना? तो जब कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं है तो कहाँ से सीख पाएंगे? तो बस कंसिस्टेंसी लाना है, कैसे भी, आई डोंट नो, बट लानी है. Okay, so this is my introduction. So I hope you know me very well. So thank you for being here, and just doing some formal thing is, if you want to improve your English, you can join with me. Okay, so take care. Bye.